Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Are you try to use the some old makeup product for daily use? Well, we have something special for you, introducing our glowing waterproof party base makeup. This is not just another ordinary base makeup. It's provide a natural glow to your skin and making you look radiant all day long. And the best part, it's waterproof. No need to worry about sweat and water running your makeup during a party or any another other occasion. Here's a step by step tutorial on how to use it. First, start by moisturizing your face, and second, apply the base makeup all over your face and using a brush or your fingertips. Blend it well to get an even coverage. Fourth, next, add a little bit of highlighter to your cheekbone, nose or forehead. Finally, set your makeup by setting spray or dusty powder over your face. And there you have it, a glowing waterproof base makeup for any occasion. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more makeup tutorial and new product release.